Hi guys, you might remember this hook or clip that I made for my daughter just on a month ago. That I actually fitted it for her. It goes on her waste bin, a strap across the top, and it's to stop the lid blowing open in the strong winds. Well, as you can see, it's broken. It's lasted about a month and it's broken. But what I'm impressed about is it's not broken due to the PLA going brittle or anything like that. In the strong winds, the bin itself was actually blown over, and that's impact damage. It's where it actually smashed onto the hard surface. So I'm pleased to see that after a month outdoors, it's still in good condition, apart from the fact it's broken. And the reason it's broken, as I say, is impact damage, not going brittle in the sunshine and the rain. So I've printed another one. So I've got to go and visit her and replace it. I've actually printed this one on a slightly higher setting. Nothing that you can really notice unless you're looking really carefully. This has got quite a visible grain to it. This, it's not quite so visible. The only reason I did it on a higher setting is that's what the printer was set to, because I've been doing other stuff. So we'll fit that and see how long that lasts. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.